Hi, I'm Josh Cook and I'm here with Euro Car Parts, and we're going to go through some car parts so that next time you have some work done on your car, you've got an idea of what they do. So this is a clutch, and this is what connects your engine and gearbox to the wheels. When you pull away and change gear, this is what allows you to do it smoothly. So these are three components to do with your brakes. You've got a brake disc, you have a brake caliper, and you have brake pads. The idea, the caliper squeezes the pads onto the discs, and that's what slows you down. So this is an alternator, and although it might look small, it actually powers your entire electrical system and charges your battery as you're driving. So this is a catalytic converter, and it is found in your exhaust system. Its job is to filter out a load of the harmful gases that come out of the exhaust and filter them to make your emissions better. If you've got a diesel, you might have a DPF as well, which is a diesel particle filter, and that will trap any soot and things like that to prevent it from going into the environment. So this is a petrol fuel injector, and its job is to inject fuel at high pressure in a mist into the engine, which mixes with air that then combusts. So this is a timing belt kit, and its job is to make sure that all the components in the engine move in perfect synchronization. In this kit, you've got idlers, you've got a tensioner, and you've got a water pump. If any one of those fail, they can cause really serious damage to your engine. The same with the timing chain. The belts can fatigue, so if they fail, again, they can cause a catastrophic failure, so it's good to try and change them when they are due. So these three items are a shock absorber, a suspension spring, and a track rod end. And the job of these three is to keep your car driving smooth and stable. So the trusty oil filter, its job is to filter out any contaminants of the oil, any foreign objects, to prevent them going around your engine. That will help improve the engine life of your vehicle. Next time you wonder what some car parts look like for your vehicle, now you know. And if you want to go and shop for any personalised stuff for your vehicle, you can do it on the Euro Car Parts app.